This is the HVAC indoor air handler. Some people call it the furnace video. Okay, so we're up here. Air filter 16 by 25 by 5. Buckles right here. Oh, doesn't look like we got that in there yet, huh? You want to put a new air filter in here when you take possession of the property. So you have a starting, probably this one. So you have a starting point. The gas line has a sediment trap. I'm not seeing a care and use manual. Flue's properly supported, but look at all that daylight around there. You think water can get in there? I think water can get in there pretty good. This is the primary evaporator drain line. It has a shed. It's insulated like it should be, but it's got a shallow trap. Some manufacturers, this is our evaporator coil. Some manufacturers think the trap should be a little better than that. I'm thinking so too. They sell them, I get it. They bought one right here. There's nothing wrong with that one. They sell them, I know, they sell them. Our data plate says that this unit is 1 year old. It's a good thing. It'd be the same thing for the furnace too. This is all new construction. If I can get a copy of the model number, I'd like to do that. But I'll have to take this off. But you know what? We're here. We'll take it off together. So far we learned that we got air around the flue. We do not have a care and use manual. Our plane looks nice and good and blue in there, doesn't it? Alright, there's our data plate. I'll put that back. The air duct is kind of kinked right there. Kind of kinked right there. All the connections look nice and good. Sagging, not supposed to have more than 1/2 inch sag. Okay, so what do we learn? This is the fresh air induction fan. It's crushed. Air duct is crushed for that guy. He can't work like he's supposed to. I think I would get that corrected, to be honest. Look at that. No, it's not going to work like it's supposed to. Was it designed to? No. It wasn't designed to work at 50% capacity. Nobody can tell me that. Alright. So what do we learn? We learned that we do not have a care and use manual. We learned that we've got daylight around the flue. We learned that we've got a shallow trap. We learned that we don't have a filter. We learned that our air duct is kinked and restricted.